Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the topic here. This call is what here the functional group of any compounds. So you know what is the functional group we discussed yesterday. Today we also take some example of or some different organic compound which it's a functional group. You know what is functional group? It is defined as the sum of group of atom which determine the what here reactivity, structure and property of any organic compound called as a atom. So what here called as a functional group. Or second definition what we take here, the any compound or any group which determine the what here, any group which determine the characteristic of organic compound called as a functional group. Today we take some example of the different functional group. So we take the example here what? Some example we take there. Okay, yesterday we take the 10 example, here we take the 11 example here. So first we take the what? Organic compound, it is called as what here? Name of a organic compound called as what? Ester. Okay, then it's a functional group what here? COOR. Okay, this RCOOR, it is called as a what here? Functional group of ester. Okay, now example we take here, this CO group, okay, this RCOO group are called as what here? Ester. And the example here, what here? CH3C double bond OO CH3. Okay, it means the organic compound ester and what here? The functional group. It is a name. It is what here? Ester is a functional group. What here? Functional group. Clear? ये क्वेश्चन आपको याद रहना बेटा. What is the functional group of ether? So here for ester called as what here? RCOR. Ester called as what here? RCOR. Ether ROR. Clear? Example here, R replaced by what here? CH3. So CH3CO CH3. Next here, next we take the what here? Number 12. Okay. So 12 we take the what here? Acetic anhydride. What here? Acetic anhydride. Structure is example here RCOO, then COR. It is called as what here? It is a functional group of what here? The acetic anhydride. This. It is a functional group of what here? The ester. Example R replaced by what here? This R replaced by CH3. So CH3COO. Here C double bond O CH3. It is example of what here? Ester. It is example of ester. It is example of what? Acetic anhydride. Next here, number 13. What we take here? Number 13. So we take the acetyl chloride. What do you take here? Acetyl chloride. So the functional group is what here? COCl. It is called what here? COCl called as what here? Acetyl chloride. It's a functional group. These are replaced by CH3 example. So we take the CH3COCl called what here? Acetyl chloride. This is called as a functional group of the acetyl chloride. Next here, number 14. What here 14? So 14 we take the what here? Okay, it is called ester, acetic anhydride, acetyl chloride. Okay. Next here, different types of compound we take the functional group here. Like that of what here? So we take the acetic acid. What here? Acetic acid. Functional group what here? COO. Attached to what here? RCOOR. This RCOH called as a functional group of acetic acid, and this replaced by CH3, CH3COOH called as what here? Acetic acid. Clear? Next here, number 15. What we take here? 15. So 15 we take the functional group here. Phenyl और फिनल लिया इससे पहले बेटा हमने ना, ठीक है। एस्टर, एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड, एसिटिक क्लोराइड, एसिटिक एसिड, ठीक है। देन अमाइंस, व्हाट हियर अमाइंस, फंक्शनल ग्रुप NH2 and this example here RNH2 is the example of what here amines, ठीक है, क्लियर। नेक्स्ट ईयर नंबर 16 अमोनियम क्लोराइड, व्हाट हियर अमोनियम क्लोराइड NH4Cl, क्लियर। Same example here NH4Cl called as ammonium chlorides, clear है। So in this way we take different types of functional group. What is functional group? It is defined as the sum of atom or group of atom which determine the reactivity, structure and property of a organic compound called as a functional group. Short form में the functional group are show three types of character called as the SPR, the SPR called as what here S for what here structure, P for property, R for reactivity, क्लियर है। ये कोई भी कंपाउंड जो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड होता है बेटा, उसमें जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप जो होता है वो फंक्शनल ग्रुप क्या दिखाते हैं, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड के कैरेक्टर को दिखाते हैं। हाउ मेनी कैरेक्टर, थ्री कैरेक्टर विल बी टेल अस। फर्स्ट कॉल्ड एज SPR, S called as the structure, P called as the properties, R called as the reactivity. So any group of atom which determine the what here the characteristic of organic compound like SPR, S for structure, P for what here properties, R for reactivity of organic compound called as a functional group. तो याद रखना है बेटा आपको, सिंपल है। अल्डिहाइड, कीटोन, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, एस्टर, एसिटिक अनहाइड्राइड, एसिटिल क्लोराइड, एसिटिक एसिड, अमाइंस, अमोनियम क्लोराइड, ये से 15 या 16 जो भी फंक्शन ग्रुप मैंने आपको बेसिक में लिख कर दिया वो आपको याद रखनी है। ओके बेटा, इजी है, ठीक है। उसके बाद का क्वेश्चन देखते हैं बेटा हम लोग। नाउ वी टेक द क्वेश्चन हियर नेक्स्ट, टाइप्स ऑफ कार्बन। व्हाट वी टेक हियर द क्वेश्चन, टाइप्स ऑफ कार्बन। इन बेसिक we take the question types of carbon. You know there are 4 types of carbon, that is called as first primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon and quaternary carbon. Okay, so we take the first here what, primary carbon. Okay, what we take there, primary carbon, symbol 1 degree indicate the primary carbon. Now second we take the what here, secondary carbon. So 2 degree it is called as secondary carbon. Third, tertiary carbon, tertiary carbon 3 degree called as tertiary carbon. Fourth, quaternary carbon. What would be a quaternary carbon? 4 degree. So in this way, this 1 degree indicate the what here, primary carbon, 2 degree indicate the secondary carbon, 3 indicate the tertiary carbon, 4 indicate the quaternary carbon. Now what is the primary carbon? So we take the example, on the basis of example we tell us the what is the primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon and quaternary carbon. So example we take here, CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH attached to CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH3 CH3 attached to CH2 CH3. It is a one type of organic compound, and all these compound which contain a single bond in between the carbon, it means it is a member of alkane. It means what is the functional group of this compound? The functional group of this compound what is single bond called as what here, alkane. So any compound which has a straight chain more than thousands of carbon will be react to each other. It may be branch, it may be simple. It have the single bond. The functional group which has a compound is called as what here, the alkane. Clear बेटा? तो देखो यहाँ पे आपको क्या देखना है, पहले what is primary carbon, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. Now what is primary carbon? So the primary carbon is defined as those carbon, what here, those carbon which attach directly attached to single carbon. What is primary carbon? Those carbon which directly attach to the one carbon or single carbon called as a primary carbon. Clear? For example, in this compound, what here? This one CH3 called as primary carbon. Why? Because this a carbon which attach to single carbon. Attached to single carbon called as what here? 1 degree means primary carbon. It means CH3 is the primary carbon. Clear beta? The carbon which directly attached to the single carbon or one carbon called as primary carbon. Now second, what is the secondary carbon? The carbon which attached to two carbon. The single carbon attached to two carbon or carbon attached to two carbon is called as the what here? Secondary carbon. For example, this CH2, it is called as secondary carbon. Why? Because this carbon attached to two carbon, this carbon, two carbon called as what here? 2 degree means secondary carbon. Okay beta. Next, tertiary carbon, 3 degree means tertiary carbon. What is tertiary carbon? The carbon or single carbon attached to 3 carbon called as a tertiary carbon. Example here, these indicate tertiary carbon. Why? Because this single carbon attached to 1, 2, 3 carbon called as what here? Tertiary carbon. Clear beta? Next here, okay, this CH2, this is carbon here, it is attached to carbon called as what here? Secondary carbon. Now we take the fourth example here. What is a quaternary carbon? Those carbon or single carbon is directly attached to the 4 carbon called as a quaternary carbon. Example here, this is called as a 4 degree means quaternary. Why? Because this single carbon or carbon is attached to 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, directly called as the quaternary carbon or 4 degree. Next here, this CH2, it is called this carbon. This CH2 is directly attached to what here? This carbon. How many carbon? 2 carbon called as secondary carbon. And this CH3 called which carbon here? 1 degree. Why? Because attached to single carbon. In this way, we take the primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon and quaternary carbon with the help of example. Clear? Question में आपको आता है, identify the following carbon is types of carbon is primary, whether it is a primary, secondary, tertiary और quaternary. ठीक है बेटा? तो इजी है बेटा. प्राइमरी कार्बन को कैसे डिटेक्ट करेंगे हम लोग? अगर कंपाउंड में दिया गया प्राइमरी कार्बन को कैसा पहचानने की डिटेक्ट करेंगे, तो वो कार्बन को देखना है किससे अटैच है. अगर सिंगल कार्बन से तो प्राइमरी कार्बन है, अगर वो कार्बन 2 कार्बन से अटैच है तो क्या बोलेंगे? सेकेंडरी कार्बन बोलेगी. अगर वो कार्बन 3 कार्बन से अटैच्ड है उससे क्या बोलेंगे? टर्शियरी कार्बन. अगर वो कार्बन 4 कार्बन से अटैच्ड है उससे क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? व्हाट? द क्वाटनरी कार्बन. तो इस तरीके से आप डिफिनेशन याद रखनी है आपको. प्राइमरी कार्बन मीन्स अ कार्बन अटैच्ड टू द 1 कार्बन कॉल्ड एज अ प्राइमरी कार्बन. सेकेंडरी कार्बन मीन्स अ कार्बन अटैच्ड टू द 2 कार्बन कॉल्ड एज अ सेकेंडरी कार्बन. देन थर्ड, टर्शियरी कार्बन मीन्स अ कार्बन अटैच्ड टू 3 कार्बन एंड क्वाटनरी मीन्स द कार्बन अटैच्ड टू व्हाट हियर? 4 कार्बन. ये डिफिनेशन आपको लिखनी है नोटबुक में और एग्जाम्पल भी लिखनी है. ईजी है बेटा, ठीक है, लिख सकते हैं आप. ओके, इस तरीके से हमने आज का टॉपिक जो था हमारा, जो रिमेनिंग फंक्शनल ग्रुप थे वो लिए हमने 4-5 और बाद में हमने स्टार्ट किया था टाइप्स ऑफ कार्बन. ठीक है, इजी है. अभी जितना भी आपका बेसिक हो गया वो बेसिक आपको याद रखनी है. ठीक है, अब एक दो दिन और हम लोग बेसिक लेंगे. इसके बाद में जो हमारा मेन टॉपिक है सिलेबस का वो स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, ये सब बेसिक्स का के लिए होता है बेटा आपको, ताकि आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाए कि हम लोग क्या स्टडी कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि बाद में अगर आपके पास कोई अगर अननोन चीज़ आई तो आपको समझ सकता है. अगर बेसिक नहीं आपका क्लियर है तो आपको अननोन चीज़ समझ में आएगी क्या? नहीं समझ में आती है. ओके, ईजी है. इस तरीके से आप ये फंक्शन ग्रुप याद रखेंगे और टाइप्स ऑफ कार्बन याद रखेंगे. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.